Question 1. Two thin lenses of +2 diopters and -1 diopter, if placed closer to each other, then the focal length of the combination of lenses will be: Option A, 1 centimeter. Option B, 2 meters. Option C, half meter. Option D, 1 meter. The correct answer is D, 1 meter. Explanation: when two thin lenses are placed in close contact, their combined optical power is calculated by adding their individual dioptric powers algebraically. Adding +2 diopters and -1 diopter results in a net power of +1 diopter, which translates to a focal length of 1 meter. Question 2. Calculate the power of a lens whose focal length is 0.4 meter. Option A, +2.5 diopters. Option B, +3 diopters. Option C, +2 diopters. Option D, +4 diopters. The correct answer is A, +2.5 diopters. Explanation: the power of a lens in diopters is the reciprocal of its focal length in meters. Therefore, calculating 1 divided by 0.4 meter gives an optical power of +2.5 diopters. Question 3. In the case of reduced schematic eye, anterior and posterior focal points, when measured from anterior surface of the cornea, are: Option A, 17 and 22.6 mm respectively. Option B, 22.6 and 17 mm respectively. Option C, 15.6 and 23 mm respectively. Option D, 23 and 15.6 mm respectively. The correct answer is A, 17 and 22.6 mm respectively. Explanation: the reduced schematic eye is a simplified mathematical model representing the eye as a single spherical refracting surface. In this standard optical model, the anterior focal point is located approximately 17 mm in front of the cornea, while the posterior focal point falls 22.6 mm behind it.
Preparing for optometry government exam? Enroll our course, Govt Job Preparation, to get access to notes, mock tests, MCQs, previous year MCQs, videos and more.
Question 4. Light rays passing through ocular media to form an image on retina will show maximum refraction at: Option A, anterior surface of lens. Option B, posterior surface of cornea. Option C, anterior surface of cornea. Option D, posterior surface of lens. The correct answer is C, anterior surface of cornea. Explanation: the anterior surface of the cornea provides approximately 2/3 of the eye's total refractive power. This maximum refraction occurs here because the difference in the refractive index between ambient air and the corneal tear film interface is the largest within the entire ocular optical system. Question 5. The secondary focal point of a myopic eye is: Option A, on the retina. Option B, anterior to the retina. Option C, posterior to the retina. Option D, at infinity. The correct answer is B, anterior to the retina. Explanation: in an uncorrected myopic eye, the total refractive power is too strong for the eye's axial length. Consequently, parallel light rays entering the eye converge prematurely and form their secondary focal point in the vitreous cavity anterior to the retina.
Get all the DSSSB optics MCQs in our course, Govt Job Preparation, that provides DSSSB all updates, all Gov exams previous MCQs, subjects-wise notes, subjects-wise MCQs, subjects-wise mock tests, fundamental optometry videos, and more. If this video was helpful, please subscribe our channel for more video like this. Don't forget to check out our full courses on the app. See you in the next video.